Good morning students. Today we will do credit creation by commercial banks. As you all know, banks are of two types. One is the central bank and the other is the commercial banks. Now we also know that money supply has two components, C plus DD. C stands for currency and DD stands for demand deposits. Now currencies are issued by the central bank, but demand deposits are created by commercial banks. So that means both of them have almost an equal contribution in money creation. So today we will do how demand deposits are created by commercial banks. For this we need two things. One is LRR, which we will assume to be 10%, and the other is the initial deposits. Initial deposits we will assume to be 1000 rupees. What is LRR? Now LRR is that percentage of assets with the bank which it cannot give as loan. Which it cannot give as loans. So if LRR is 10%, it means that of the rupees 1000, 100 rupees will be kept as LRR and the rest 900 will be given as loan. So now what will happen? We will see this is my initial deposits, this is my LRR and this is my loan. Initial deposits were 1000, LRR is 10%, so it becomes 100. How much loan? 900. Now bank will never issue cash. It will always issue checks. The checks then they come back to the banking system. So 900 rupees are added to the demand deposits. Of this, 90 rupees are kept as LRR and 810 rupees are again given as loan. This 810 rupees comes back here. 81 is kept as LRR and 729 rupees are given as loan. This process continues iteratively and the total demand deposits that we create will be equal to 10,000 rupees, which is equal to the total demand deposits is equal to 1 upon LRR into the initial deposits, which is 1 upon 10% into 1000. So 100 upon 10 into 1000. So that means of the cash of rupees 1000, the demand deposits created by commercial banks became rupees 10,000. This is called credit creation, and 1 upon LRR is called the credit multiplier. So that means total demand deposits is equal to credit multiplier multiplied by the initial deposits. So what we will do? We will do a question where the initial deposits are rupees 20,000 and LRR is 20%. Let's try this out and then we will discuss it in class. Thank you.